Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time. I think it's been like 6 weeks since the last time I filmed a video, but my life has just been so hectic and so busy that I wasn't able to sit down and film a video, but I finally was, and I hope you guys like it. So if you guys want to know how I got this Valentine's Day look, just keep on watching. Let's get started. So I have already moisturized and prepped my skin. I use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I saw this from, I think her name is Diana, and I actually love it so much. It literally blurs out my pores and it makes my makeup last so long. Let me actually put a little bit more. So for foundation, I use the NARS Longwear Natural Radiant Foundation. I love this foundation. This is honestly the best foundation I have ever tried. I even love it more than my Estee Lauder one, which I have loved for literally like 4 years. I'm in the color Macao. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but I love this foundation. So for concealer, I use the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. And I just highlight, I'm running out. My under eyes. My nose bridge. My chin. Cupid's bow. I think that's what you call me. And then my forehead. And to contour, I use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color Deep Dark. And I use just a little bit, goes such a long way. And I just put it right there. Right there. I'm gonna put some on my jawline because I have an updo. And I want my jaw to look super, super defined. And then I'll put a couple dots on my nose. So to blend that out, I'm going to use this like dual brush that I got from Primark. I literally have been obsessed with this since the day that I got it. I should have put my earrings on after I did my makeup, but they're already on and I'm not gonna take them off. I feel like my jaw does look a little more defined. Make sure everything back there is blended. You don't want to be that shorty. Right now, I'm gonna use this sponge from Morphe to blend out my concealer. To blend out my nose contour, I just used the sponge and the concealer and just kind of blend it in there so it's not that harsh. Oh, I got it in my eye. I always get makeup in my eye when I'm wearing my contacts. I literally suck. Conceal my brows like that. Make sure that everything is nicely blended. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I need to get my eyebrows done, so they're not looking their best right now. So let's see what we can do. I'm using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil because I ran out of my favorite eyebrow pencil, which is the ColourPop Brow Box. And did I completely run out? Do I still have a little bit that I can salvage? No. I need to go Ulta, but that's so far. Literally, Ulta is like 45 minutes. from here. I should have gone today. I still might go today after I film this video. Ulta trip. I'm gonna go to Ulta after I film this video. I may just vlog it too, because I am in dire need of a lot of things. And I love Ulta. Okay, so I'm not liking my eyebrows too much, so let's just ignore them. So we're gonna go right into, I should have done my eye makeup before I did my foundation. So I'm gonna brighten my under eyes a little bit using Anna's concealer. It's the Maybelline one in the color medium. So I'm just gonna use 2 dots, 3 dots, I lied. Just to brighten it a little, because I like really bright under eyes. For some reason, I like it to look nice and bright. So I use the Revlon baking powder underneath my eyes in the color Banana. Just a little bit, just to give them a better eye color payoff. I'm gonna use the Anastasia baking powder, setting powder. Wow. Wow. I'm making literally such a mess. I have a love and hate relationship with baking powders, or setting powders, whatever you want to call them, because honestly, they're so messy. Honestly, love Anastasia's baking powder. It's so nice. My friend Ashley Capellano, she got me hip to it, and I really, really like it. It's so finely milled that like, oh, it just makes your makeup blend. I love it. So to set and kind of bronze, I use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder, and just carve out my cheekbones. I actually got this as a setting powder, but it was too dark for me, and I decided to try it as a bronzer. I thought it would be too light for a bronzer. Bobby Brown. NYX. Thank you. Okay. Hopefully I'm still in frame, but I'm going to use the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush and use a little bit on my cheeks to give them a little bit of color. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe palette, the 35V palette. I used this in my last video as well. So we're gonna use this color right here to transition. I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid, and I'm gonna take it out pretty far. I should probably zoom you guys in, right? Okay. So we're gonna go into this one and put this all over my crease. And we're gonna take it out like if you were to do a wing. So now I'm gonna go back in with my transition color and blend that. Okay. Imagine I don't end up liking this look. So then with a little more precise brush, we're gonna go in with this color right here. And kind of focus just kind of on that outer little part. And then we're gonna go back in with the transition color and blend some more. Ooh, see, like that. You see, that's what I wanted. Okay, now that's kind of what I wanted in my crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use concealer to carve it out. I am going to use Anna's concealer because it's a little bit lighter and it'll give a better color payoff on top of the other. Okay. So I'm gonna use a small brush to carve out my concealer. Is that cute? We did that. Okay, that's the best that the carving is gonna get, you know? But we're gonna go ahead and continue. So I'm just gonna go with my little dual brush and kind of blend it out into my eye. Now we're gonna go back into the palette and use this color right here to just set what we have on our lids right now. So now that that's set, we are going to go ahead and my palette literally just broke. Oh my god, literally all my favorite colors. And the floor's a mess. And we're gonna use my handy dandy trick to use tape. I put it on my hand first so that it's not like super strong. We don't need it to be. So I'm gonna do a wing. I used tape to assist me and make sure I get a clean, precise line. Okay, so that's it for my wing. As you can see how well the tape literally works. So that's mostly the look, as you guys can see. So now that the wings are done, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. I wonder where my lashes are. So the lashes that I'm using are the Ardell Foam Mink Luxurious Lightweight Knot Free Invisible Band. Wow, that's a long name. Lashes. My hair's busy. We got one on. Okay, my lashes are on. So now I'm going to take my mascara. I should have probably extended out my extendo 30s. I have a terrible attention span. Now I'm gonna use the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This is my favorite mascara of literal all time. I'm going to this darker purple color and put that all over my bottom lash line. Now to finish off the eye look, I'm gonna go in and use this color right here. Okay, so that's it for my eye. I feel like that really brings in the whole look. How does that look? Do you guys like it so far? Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and finish off the face. So we're gonna use the Bobbi Brown highlighter in the color Bronze Glow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip. My favorite lip liner at the moment is from Primark. It's in the color Toffee. And I literally love it. It's like my lip color, but like better. So now I'm gonna use the Kat Von D lipstick in the color Lolita. So now I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear lip pencil in the color Nude. So when those are done, I'm going to use the Morphe setting spray. Ooh, we're going to let that set. Alright you guys, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you next time.